I love the hose reel. It retracts perfectly. All you have to do is listen for the clicks and you'll know whenever you can let go of the hose and it'll lock into place. Give it a little tug, wait for the clicks to disappear and it'll retract. I keep my air compressor set on 0 with 180 psi on the tank, because if I leave pressure on the hose, the hose reel leaks, and I'm not sure where. I've not been able to find the leak. It's either in one of the crimped fittings, or internally in the reel itself. But if I leave this hose hooked up, I have to keep my outward pressure at 0. So that it doesn't drain my air tank. For me, it's just a little nicer to keep from having to connect and disconnect this outward hose, the feed hose for the hose reel. I don't want to wear out my fitting and wear out my connection, so I just leave my outward pressure at 0. But overall, I love it, and I have the matching extension cord. I love the matching extension cord, matching hose reel. It's a little pricey. I think you do get what you pay for, with the unfortunate situation that I do have an internal leak in here, and I think maybe in the spring when things warm up and I have some time to kill, I'll go ahead and disassemble it and find the leak. But I'm very happy with it, and you will be too.